Hello mga be! Welcome back to my simple cooking video. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this chicken adobo. The ingredients are chicken thighs or legs, onion, garlic cloves, soy sauce, vinegar, peppercorns, chili powder, and bay leaves. First, I'm gonna marinate the chicken with soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and the pepper, chili powder, and bay leaves. Then I will just saute the onion in a little bit of oil until it's soft. Then add the chicken and also add the marinade sauce. Then add a little bit of water, bring it to a boil, and cover it and cook it in a very low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes. Check it from time to time. It's almost done. I'm going to remove the chicken and bring it to a broil to make it crispy. And while it's in the oven, I'm going to thicken the sauce. And when it's done, I'll just turn the chicken into the sauce and cook it for about a minute to keep more taste. Voila! It's done! My own version of chicken adobo, Filipino style.